Facebook story not showing on your Facebook account. Hello guys, how it's going? Today I'm gonna show you and share with you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open your phone and you will open the settings of your phone. And when it's open, what you can do right now, just you will go directly to apps, and on apps you will scroll down and look for Facebook app. This Facebook you will click, then you will scroll down to storage and you click, and you will go to clear data and you will click, and then be careful, click here, okay, like this. And that's it guys, your problem will fixed. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.